Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and instead of doing my usual Widget Wednesday video today, with the success of the Black Panther movie, I thought I would do a Nova Launcher setup all around the character of Black Panther. I'm going to be going over the icon pack, widget and wallpaper that I've used, so let's take a look. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail in regards to certain aspects of my settings in Nova Launcher, like grid size and things like that, because to be honest guys, I do keep it pretty standard in regards to my setups. If you're also wondering where I've got this awesome Black Panther wallpaper here on my Mac, that's done by a guy called Justin Maller who does some really awesome artwork, but you've probably heard of him already. However, I'm still going to have his website linked in the description down below, so you can download this wallpaper and any of the other ones that he's done. But onto the setup, and as always, you are going to need Nova Launcher. Now, the icon pack that I'm going to be using for this is the Bixpic icon pack. Now, as you can see, there's only around 160 custom icons in this pack at the moment, but the ones that we're going to be focusing on are the neon shaped ones, as you can see here. You do have some different ones to choose from, but for me, the neon look and feel of the Black Panther movie comes across really well with this icon pack. In regards to the widget that we're going to be using, that's going to be coming from the Fave KWGT widget pack, and it's going to be number 30 on the list. So if you go into the widget pack or straight into KWGT and scroll down, you're going to see there that number 30 has this really nice bright vibrant widget, and then you can load it straight into your widget application. Now for me, I did actually increase the size, so what you want to do for that is go into the layer section and just increase the scaling, and for me I had it pretty much as big as possible. Now, being Nova Launcher, you can play around with your setup and do anything that you want to, but this is the one that I've come up with here. You've got the widget at the top and then the neon icons just down at the bottom. Now for me, I didn't want to carry on that neon theme throughout the whole OS, and also the icon pack didn't have as many as I wanted, so I've actually used the bold R icon pack, which again is going to be linked in the description down below, but it's just got some really nice bright vibrant icons that I think go really well with this setup. But if you guys know of any other neon or line themed icon packs that would also work with this setup, then let me know in the comments section down below. In regards to the wallpaper, I actually found this over on Google+, which is where I'm finding a lot of my wallpapers more recently. It's a great place to find and also share setups, so again I would definitely recommend having a look over there. But in regards to this specific wallpaper, again it's going to be linked in the description down below. And to be honest guys, that's actually going to do it for this first kind of themed setup here on the channel. Now if you guys want to see some more of these moving forward in regards to maybe different Marvel or DC or just in general any other characters, then let me know in the comments section with any of your ideas, or just leave a thumbs up on this video so that I know you enjoy this sort of content. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. I upload a ton of new videos pretty much every day here on the channel, and if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. Now, creating this setup was a ton of fun, so I'm definitely going to be doing some more moving forward, but next week is going to go back to my normal Widget Wednesday, where I'm going to be showcasing a really awesome widget pack, so again, keep an eye out for that here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.